Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll go over the other features of the toolbar for Power BI dashboards. The toolbar has plenty of helpful features and can be located at the top of every dashboard. This video is mainly for consumers. From our Power BI homepage, we'll go to Apps. Then for this case scenario, we'll click on the Incident Management dashboard. At the top, we'll see our toolbar here. Starting with the View Mode icon, we can see plenty of options to choose from. Be sure to select what works best for your viewing purposes of the dashboard. Here is an array of high contrast colors to choose from. In addition, you'll find a variety of different ways to view the dashboard as well. One thing to note is that when viewing the dashboard in full screen mode, you can click on the escape key to exit out of the screen. Next, we have the refresh icon. This updates any visualizations in your reports or dashboard. You'll be able to see what visualizations refresh with the buffering icons here. The star icon allows you to add or remove this specific dashboard from your favorites. When the star icon is filled in black, it means that this dashboard is set in your favorites. When it is clear, it means it is removed or not in your favorites. If we click on the star icon and go to our favorites, we'll be able to see the dashboard here. Lastly, the app info icon will show you the information for the dashboard, such as the app name, owner, and the description. Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.